Hi guys, welcome to another Roblox adventure with Taylor. Today we are going to play, of course, another Roblox, but I don't know which game. So let me figure out which game and I will be right. So I figured out the game we're going to be playing. Today we are going to be playing the normal elevator. So I'm really excited for this game. I did win. Of course I won this one. I won Gavin's Secret and I won Spooked, but we are going to play the normal elevator today. Okay guys. Oh, so here we are. And guys, I'm going to get Robux soon, don't worry. But it's okay, because if someone's making fun of you because you don't have Robux, it's not right, and you know that's not right. Okay, so let's go in the normal elevator. And if you see me in Roblox games and you're like, oh my god, that's her, then don't be afraid to say hi, you know. Okay, let's go in the elevator. I did play this a couple times, and it's a pretty fun game. Oh, I love this one! Oh my gosh. Why am I bald? Why am I bald? Oh my god. Ew! Ew! Oh my god. This is so funny. And then now I'm a piece of poop. Wow.
Glue in it, people.
Oh my god, this is so weird. What the heck?
The only way you can get my products
I'm not.
on my website.
Ew, do you hear him like farting?
My website and my Instagram bio.
What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not doing this anymore. Ew, I'm just a piece of poop. What? Why can't I go to my normal self?
Why are you so weird?
Looking at me.
What the heck?
Hey guys, I'm Emily and you're watching Sister Forever.
What the heck? What the heck?
And today,
Everyone's a piece of poop.
long nails for a week.
Sorry, my mom's.
I just want to go
Oh, basketball.
Very, very far. They all came off. So please understand.
He doesn't. Oh, I didn't shoot.
neon orange nails.
Steal this person basketball.
We used to go on Instagram and Emily decided, oh, should I do blue or pink? And you guys chose pink.
And I'm doing it today. So, we're gonna
What the heck, guys?
where they go to.
Okay, back in the elevator.
I'll screen a link in
So-
the description. So let's get
Oh.
on nails. And I'm 9 years old and I'm doing long nails. I wouldn't wear long nails because I'm 9, but it's just for this video for you guys. So give it a thumbs up if you like. If subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's get on with the nails. This is the before. Just an Instagram on my dad's phone. See if I can do long nails for a week. And my dad is going to be doing long nails for a day.
Shout out to this guy, Super Alex. Go.
The dogs are in. So the boys
Oh,
are
shark. Sharknado. Sharknado. Sharknado.
Is 87 yes, 30% no.
Okay, guys, I'm going to end it there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I will do more videos in the future. Bye-bye for now.